Just over a year ago, we began a global conversation about how the planet is becoming smarter. Trillions of digital devices connected through the internet, like credit card readers, RFID tags, two-way energy meters, are producing a vast ocean of data. This information can be turned into intelligence that can automatically be acted upon. With this knowledge, we can reduce costs, cut waste, and improve the efficiency, productivity, and quality of everything from companies to cities. All of this puts new requirements on IT. CIOs are being asked to provide new, smarter applications to improve competitiveness and lower costs. They also have to keep the existing workloads running and performing well. The business may be asking for green initiatives too, such as reducing energy and cooling consumption. Consequently, IT management is looking for ways to cost-effectively expand compute power and improve the utilization of resources. At the same time, the IT organization needs to more easily manage the computing environment while supporting constant fluctuations in workload demands and more stringent service levels. And if your current system vendor is not IBM, you may be concerned with their ability to address these challenges. IBM has been delivering the systems and software to help clients move in this smarter direction. And clients worldwide are validating our approach, as evidenced by the tremendous gains in Unix market share for IBM Power Systems as we introduce more and more value into these systems. Further evidence is the success of the IBM Power Migration Factory, with over 500 engagements in 2009 alone, 90% of which were Sun and HP customers moving to Power Systems. In 2010, we're taking a huge leap forward. This week, IBM announced the first of a new generation of Power Systems designed for a smarter planet based on the new Power7 processor. The Power7 processor is the fastest, highest frequency multi-core processor available today with 4, 6, or 8 cores per socket, with frequencies ranging from 3 to 4.14 gigahertz, delivering amazing performance. Power7 is integrated level 3 cache and offers up to 4 threads per core. The Power7 processor uses half the transistors of competitive processors for more performance at lower energy levels and lower thermals. We've introduced 4 new modular systems based on Power7. The first, the Power750 Express, is a 4U 4-socket server that can scale up to 32 processor cores, so it can grow with your business. It's also the first Energy Star qualified, RISC-based 4-socket server. With 3 times more SAP performance and over 4 times better energy efficiency than comparable servers from Sun and HP, it is simply the highest performing, most energy efficient 4-socket server on the planet. The Power755 is a special version of the 750 targeted specifically to high performance computing and analytics. The 755 is an HPC cluster node with 32 Power7 cores, is also Energy Star qualified, and is optimized for the most challenging analytic workloads using highly parallelized applications. It is perfectly matched to smaller HPC needs, which utilize 10 to 20 compute nodes. Now, the Power770 is the next generation of the world's most popular mid-range server across any operating system, the Power570. The Power770 is available in 2 configurations, with up to 6 cores per socket for up to 48 cores total, or 8 cores per socket for up to 64 cores. You get more performance per core. In fact, if you have a 16-core Power570 today, you can probably replace that with 1 node of a Power770 and use up to 70% less energy. We've taken that design and moved up 1 more level to the Power780. The Power780 system goes up to 64 cores as well and offers the new Turbo Core mode, which allows the client to decide whether they need more performance per core or more total throughput for the system. Turbo Core mode enables you to achieve the highest per core database performance on Power7 and realize corresponding software license savings. Alternatively, you can boot the system in Max Core mode to take advantage of all 32 threads per socket and 64 cores in the system and maximize throughput on a number of different workloads running in virtual partitions. The Power7 80 offers clients the flexibility to choose how best to run various workloads. We've also issued a statement of direction that you can expect to see a Power7 based high-end system with up to 256 cores and 1,024 threads supporting almost 1,000 virtual machines later this year. We've issued additional statements of direction regarding upgrades. First, we'll offer an easy upgrade path from the Power 595 to the planned Power7 high-end system. The second is really directed to our IBM I customers, but applies across AIX and Linux as well, that they can move to a Power7 follow-on later in the year with an upgrade from a Power 520. All Power7 systems run AIX, the world's most reliable Unix, IBM I, the most integrated environment for mid-sized businesses, and Linux on Power. The new Power7 systems can save you hard cash by replacing competitive systems you may have installed today. Let's look at one of those, the Sun Spark Enterprise T2000. That's a one-socket T1 system that started shipping in 2005. IDC says that there are probably about 92,000 of those out there. They're probably running one workload or maybe a couple of containers in a single instance of Solaris. We believe that based on the benchmark data, we're confident that you can consolidate 92 T2000s onto a single 32-core Power750 with robust virtualization and workload optimization and save up to 95% of the cores for software licensing, 97% of the floor space, and 95% on energy. But you may be asking, how do Power Systems stack up against newer x86-based platforms? IBM looked at what it would take to support an ERP environment on HPDL systems and Power750 Express systems. It would take 2 HPDL 785 G6 servers plus 9 HPDL 380 G6 Nehalem EP servers to support the same number of ERP users as two 32-core Power750s with its virtualization efficiencies and higher utilization capability. Cost of acquisition is over 15% higher for the HP solution, for the hardware and operating system alone. Plus, the Power750 Express configuration takes up 75% less space, has 90% fewer network connections, and 72% fewer systems to manage. It's clear that customers are moving up to higher value with Power Systems at the expense of HP and Sun. Power7 continues to add new capabilities, and we certainly expect our market share leadership to continue. With over 2,100 successful migrations to date, the IBM Power Migration Factory is ready to take on your move to Power Systems as well. I hope that this announcement has excited you as much as it has us. To get more information, please contact your IBM representative or your IBM business partner, who can really show you how to leverage smarter systems for a smarter planet to power your planet.